You're watching Cosmos, where space turns dark.
For 36 a.m. First, the sky lit up. 7 minutes later, silence. 14, the internet went black. 19, cities stopped breathing. 26, we realized. This wasn't a meteorite. This was the beginning. June 6th. Astronomical Surveillance Center, Chile. 12:12 a.m., gravitational readings go haywire. Something massive moved past Neptune. No heat. No light. Just mass. Too fast. Too precise. Too deliberate. 11 minutes later, infrared telescopes pick it up. An object. Diameter, 14 kilometers. Speed, 76 kilometers per second. It's headed straight for Earth. And yesterday, it didn't exist on any radar. No orbital trace. No warning. NASA sounds internal alarm. Alpha Rubicon. No press. No public. Not yet. The first headlines. Calm and clueless. Massive asteroid detected. No threat expected. But behind closed doors. Terror. This object, it isn't spinning. It's not disintegrating. It absorbs light. Like a shadow that eats stars. Emergency Summit. NASA. ESA. JAXA. Roscosmos. One shared conclusion. Impact in 68 hours. 3 nuclear interceptors are launched. Trajectories locked. Missiles on course. And then, failure. One goes dark. One veers off as gravity bends unnaturally. The last simply vanishes. No explosion. No debris. No trace. It's like the rock ate it. Panic spreads. The object doesn't behave like stone. It reacts. It changes. Dr. Lana Ishikawa, astrophysicist. We scanned its core. It's not rock. It's hollow. And something inside is pulsing. Governments fall into chaos. Private jets vanish into the skies. Elite bunkers are sealed. And the object keeps coming. No deviation. No delay. Its surface begins to change. It glows. Faintly at first, then blinding. Not from heat. But from something else. Structured light. Artificial. Geometric. Controlled. Another attempt. A secret kinetic railgun from a black site under Greenland. Impact is confirmed. For 0.6 seconds, the object trembles. Then, it changes shape. From rock to sphere. Perfect. Smooth. Unreal. Inside, something moves. And then, the final approach begins. The world holds its breath. News anchors tremble behind smiles. Religions collapse into silence. A strange hum fills the ionosphere. Animals flee. Insects vanish. Children stop crying. Then, light. Not like lightning. Not like fire. A light without color that bends the sky. Eyes bleed from looking. Cameras melt. For 36 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. It enters the atmosphere. No friction. No sonic boom. No tail of fire. Just a sphere. Descending. Quiet. Absolute. It's not burning the sky, one pilot whispers. It's erasing it. At 19,000 feet, every satellite goes offline. GPS dissolves. Communication dies. People stare upward. And see nothing. Sky, black. Sun, gone. Clouds, frozen. Then, a pulse. Not a sound. Not a wave. A feeling. Blood slows. Thoughts distort. Time unravels. There was no explosion. No crater. No shockwave. No tsunami. Just absence. From the sky, it looks like a missing pixel. Not destruction, deletion. Ships nearby drift dead in the water. Engines off. Crews missing. Surfaces untouched. Yet, lifeless. 24 minutes after impact, a signal erupts. Low frequency. Consistent. Binary. Carried not by air, but through spacetime itself. Decoders try to make sense of it. They find a pattern. A message. Translated from pulse logic. This cycle is over. Archive complete. Proceeding with reset. Gravity bends. Streetlights stretch like vines. Buildings fragment. People, pores mid-motion, then fade. Not burned. Not crushed. Erased. And it spreads, outward, in a perfect ring. From the impact point, across continents. Not as destruction. But as silence. Governments vanish. Bunkers go dark. AI systems stop responding. Weapons refuse to fire. The planet isn't dying, one last broadcast says. It's being formatted. The Death Stone's outer shell begins to retract. Inside, a structure. Smooth. Pale. Towering. It emits no energy, yet everything reacts to it. Billions are gone. Only a few voices remain. Recording. Crying. Begging. Inside a Siberian outpost, a scientist types. This was not random. This was not nature. We were scanned, backed up, and deleted. Final message from the ISS. If anyone finds this, we were archived. Then, Earth falls still. No sound. No air. Just darkness. The Death Stone rises from the ocean. It no longer glows. Its mission, complete. It begins to move again. Away from Earth. Faster than before. Toward another system. Another world. It leaves behind no fire. No memory. Only emptiness. This message is broadcast to no one. It is only an echo, left in the bones of a planet no longer real. If you hear this, you were never meant to. Screen fades to black. One last word appears, in red. Erased.
Be part of the purple cosmos. Subscribe now.